How to create a Starbucks account. So to create a Starbucks account, first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for Starbucks. And then here you will have www.starbucks.com. You can click on that. And now to create your account, scroll down and you will find Join Now. Click on that. And here you have to first enter your personal information, like you have to enter your first and last name. And after entering that, for your account security, you have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, you have to enter your password, and password must be at least 8 to 25 characters. And after entering your password, scroll down and then click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions. And then you can click on create account, and that's it. That's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.